You are here because you are ambitious. You want to build real wealth, create freedom, and make your money work for you. But you are also, let's be honest, a bit lazy. You don't want another complicated side hustle. You don't want to spend 20 hours a week on a grind. You want the smart, efficient path, the one and done solution that pays off for years. If that's you, lean in, because today I'm exposing the single biggest, laziest money leak draining the bank accounts of ambitious non-US creators and freelancers. And I'm giving you the one-time fix. You've set up your Patreon, your YouTube AdSense, your Amazon affiliate links. The money starts trickling in from the US. It's exciting. This is the passive income dream. But then you see it, a huge 30% chunk is missing. Gone. Before it even hits your account, the IRS automatically withholds it. Why? Because without one specific number on one specific form, the US tax system sees you as a high risk. No details, stranger. They take 30% by default. You've been ambitious enough to build the income stream, but maybe you were too lazy or just unaware to fix the paperwork. The 30% isn't a tax, it's a lazy tax, and it's costing you thousands. This is where the lazy, ambitious genius comes in. What if I told you there was a single one-time application, a financial support, that could slice that 30% down to 10% or even to 0% legally? An application so standard that experts can handle it for you while you focus on being ambitious. That passport is called an ITIN, an individual taxpayer identification number. It's not a social security number. It's your key to claiming tax treaty benefits between your country and the US. It tells the IRS, I'm legitimate. Here are my details. Apply the lower treaty rate, one form, one process, a lifetime of higher payouts. That's not just smart, that's the ultimate lazy ambitious win. Now, you might think, dealing with the IRS? That sounds like the opposite of lazy. That's where you're wrong. This isn't about you becoming a tax expert. This is about a simple documented process. You filled out a W-8 form for YouTube, Patreon, Amazon, and left the US tax ID field blank. 30% withholding. Now here's the fix. The fix is that you get an ITN, you submit a corrected W-8 ban with that ITN, and the result will be that your withholding rate will plummet. You keep hundreds or thousands more per year forever for every US-based income stream. What's the hardest part? Gathering a couple of documents and mailing them. But what even that was simplified? Because this channel is about passive income pathways, not passive paperwork nightmares, I looked for the most efficient solution. I partnered with ITIN W. They are not a law firm. They are specialists who do this one time, all day, every day. They guide you, review your docs, and handle the IRS submission. They turn a potential months-long headache into a managed process. For my audience, they have given a promo code for $50 off, Alicia50. The link is in the description section. Think about it, a small one-time fee and the effort to stop a perpetual 30% leak. That's the highest raw task you will ever complete. So who is this for? It's for the ambitious but lazy person who is a non-US YouTuber earning AdSense, a global creator on Patreon or Ko-Fi, a freelancer or consultant with US clients, anyone earning royalties or platform income from the US. If you're nodding, this is your next step. If you found this one and Dan Fix valuable, do the lazy ambitious thing. Like, subscribe, and let YouTube recommend the next smart step for you. Thanks for watching.